Welcome back to Easy Friday. Now, 4 suspects linked to the assassination of Kasipul MP Ong'ondo Were, among them businessman Phillip Aroko, have been detained, further to allow police to complete the investigation.
Well, the court ordered Aroko to be detained for 7 days at Kileleshwa police station, while the late legislator's driver, bodyguard and the border rider who carried the assassin were detained for 20 days each.
The developments come as the late MP was buried at his rural home in Oyugis. Ruth Wamboy with the unfolding court case as police seek answers on the MP's assassination.
The burial of the late legislator coincided with the court date for 4 suspects linked to his murder. Among the 4 is the politician come businessman Phillip Aroko, who is suspected to be the mastermind and financier of his assassination. Police officers presented Aroko at the JKA courtroom a few minutes to 4 p.m. after a day-long demand by his legal team to know his whereabouts since his arrest.
If they are bringing the similar facts on the same issues, the only people who are different players would be the suspects who are being brought to court.
Justice must not only be done, but must be seen to be done. That is the gist of the application before you today, Your Honor.
In a dramatic turn of events, Aroko arrived and would then proceed to inform the court that he would represent himself to the chagrin of his legal team. In a miscellaneous application, the state revealed Aroko is a central suspect as he reportedly issued threats to the slain MP.
The respondent has been connected to several meetings in Nairobi, Homa Bay, Nakuru, which illustrates an organized and deliberate attempt, which illustrates an organized preparation leading up to the death of the deceased.
Trial Magistrate Irene Gishovi was further told that Aroko held several organized meetings in Homa Bay, Nairobi and Nakuru counties in which he is believed to have orchestrated the assassination of Were.
The investigators are still in the process of documenting these scenes and interviewing witnesses at these various stations.
Detectives further revealed they were analyzing financial transactions believed to have originated from Aroko to finance the crime.
You know, this is a system of government. There is no way I would intimidate police. I will intimidate any witness after presenting myself to the authority.
In a ruling, JKA Locus Chief Magistrate Irene Gishovi gave the investigators 7 days to complete investigations in the case after he requested for shorter detention, citing family and health concerns.
Any time of the day, Your Honor, any moment, the DCI would want me, because I'm ready to cooperate so that I get vindicated.
Earlier in the day, the late MP's bodyguard, driver and the border rider who is reported to have ferried the assassin were arraigned in the court and detained for 20 days.
The respondent presented himself to Gigiri Police Station when called upon by the National Police Service to do so, and that antecedent shows that the respondent is ready and willing to cooperate with the investigators. As such, I allow the application for custodial orders, but limited to 7 calendar days in the first instance.
The court is also expected to give a ruling following an application for the magistrate to recuse herself from the case next week on Tuesday. With the court having agreed with the prosecution counsel, the suspect will now remain in custody between 7 days and 20 days to complete investigations. Ruth Wamboy reporting from JKA Law Courts.